Hello guys, back to GTA Boy. Well, how y'all doing? I'm not at my house today. Went swimming and I got all dried off. That was like a couple of hours ago. Yeah, these next month, this is going to be huge next month. Well, if y'all don't need that in the comments below, I guess I'm going to have to get rid of y'all. Yeah. He doesn't have a chance. Just leave in the comments below if you want to see me smash my phone. This is sorry about all the windy stuff. Guys, you should. No, I'm not editing it. Guys, y'all should seriously make this awesome.
Would y'all move?
Yeah, she has class. Just like me, I have my boxing class. Oh. I know it's summer, no one really has classes, but
yeah. And it's
guys,
my birthday in like
3
weeks. No.
Yeah.
No. Stop.
5 weeks. So you're going to turn how old? How old are you going to be? Sorry, y'all haven't seen my face here lately.
Then you should turn around and show them your face.
What, you're scared?
Hi, Missy.
What, you're scared to have your face on video?
Yeah,
Let's do it, vlog.
this is going to be awesome. Guys,
You still get like 5
I believe in y'all. Y'all have to. Y'all have to. Leave it in the comments below.
Yeah, actually.
Just my two subscribers. That's all I have. I need
You actually have a YouTube
10.
channel? Okay, then what's the name of it?
None of those
What?
None of your wax.
Please just tell me.
Guys, this is gonna be awesome. I'm sorry I'm saying that a lot, but
I'm gonna
we
be
have
helping
to.
him with the video.
Hopefully they're not gonna be in the videos anymore.
I'm gonna say.
Hey guys!
I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make like some
zoom in for the camera for me.
And if you're new to his channel, just subscribe to his channel and subscribe to mine. That was awesome, wasn't it?
Guys,
Mia, we got that whole thing on tape.
this boy's aggravating right here. Well, bye. Leave in the comments below.